be doing a video about Shopkins in the so cool metallic fridge. So let's open it. I can't wait to get to play and learn about these Shopkins. Okay, I just opened up the fridge. So now, let's get the inside out. Whoa, it's almost like it has an extra security system. Get out the scissors. So now, I'm gonna try to take this out. It's very tricky. I'll have to open this to get this out of there. Now we'll shut it again, and we can take these off to get rid of them. And we take these out. Oh, and pop our Shopkins out. Whoa! I got awesome little ice cream. And let's see what comes out next. A cute little soda water. Soda, 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 soda. Let's put these in there. And we'll take it. Off. Let Peachy out. Peachy, 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 Peach. Put it in there. I'm having a hard time getting donut out, but it'll still come. There, donuts out. And try to. Okay, I'll try different. Maybe this donut's really cute. I love it. Egg chick, I already have it, but a different version. And this guy's real cute too. A pancake? You must be kidding me. Aw, this is so cute. I'm not really sure what it is, but I love it. Da 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 da. And this chocolate milkshake, really awesome. I love it. And let's put it in there now. And lastly, Peachy, 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 Peach, Peachy, 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 Peach. We'll put him in here. Now let's have a look at our freezer. It looks pretty propped up. Do you think that's enough? Or do you think it needs more? Tell me in the comment section. The coolest part is this fridge. You can put your Shopkins in here like that. But wait a minute. I think I know what the little garbage can's for. If you accidentally drop your eggs, they are broken, so you have to put them in the garbage. This is what it looks like when it's up. Not to brag, but I do think it's pretty cool. And wait a minute, I think some eggs deserve to be in the fridge too. We just dump a few eggs in from the garbage can and then shut the door. Tell me in the comment section if you thought this was cool or if you think I should put more. It's pretty cool, and I think you guys will really like it. And have you noticed the garbage can has sparkles on it? Guess what? You can open up this part, put Shopkin in there, shut it, shake it up a bit, and the Shopkin will fall out. like a dispenser. Tell me in the comments what you think of this toy. Thank you. And don't forget to like.